Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make bread nuggets. Start by tearing day-old bread into bite-sized pieces. Whisk eggs, milk, salt, pepper, and paprika, then dredge and pan-fry in hot oil until golden and crisp. Serve warm with dipping sauces like ketchup, honey mustard, or garlic aioli. Keep leftovers in an airtight container and reheat in a toaster oven to maintain crispness. Adjust spices to taste for family-friendly flavor. Gather simple ingredients and tools before you start. You will need day-old bread, eggs, milk, salt, pepper, paprika, and oil, plus a bowl and frying pan for crisping. Measure 1 cup of milk to every 2 eggs and season to taste. Use a slotted spoon to transfer nuggets and a paper towel to drain excess oil. Preparing ingredients first makes cooking smooth and fast. This prep saves time and helps achieve even cooking throughout. Heat oil over medium-high heat until shimmering but not smoking. Dip each bread piece into beaten egg mixture, ensuring full coating, then place gently in the hot pan. Fry for about 2 minutes per side until golden brown, turning carefully for even color. Drain on paper towels and season immediately with a little salt. Serve with sauces or toss with grated cheese for extra flavor. Adjust frying time for your preferred crunch level.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.